Sir, the institution of election commission is a central subject. Stop. But here, whenever an election is conducted, cooperation of the state government is borrowed to constitute election machinery so that the election conducted is free and fair. Stop. I would not like to quote areas where I have not gone personally to see how the elections were conducted. Stop. But I would like to tell you how an election is conducted in Bengal in the name of holding a free and fair election. Stop. When enumeration takes place, all the CPIM activists are deployed to ensure that 5% of Congress voters are deleted from the voter list and 5% fictitious voters from their side are included in the lists. Thereby, from the beginning itself, they are ahead of the Congress party, and a margin of 10% is always ensured to win the election. Stop para. And when the polling stations are manned, only people who are members of the coordination committee are deployed as polling officers and presiding officers. Stop. When the polling booths are policed, only selected members of the non-gazetted police employees associations are deployed to man the polling booths as police personnel. Stop. When the Congress fights an election, it has to fight a motivated presiding officer inside the booth and a motivated presiding officer inside the booth and a motivated police personnel outside the booth, and Congress workers have to fight the CPM hoodlums on the street in the state of West Bengal. Stop. This is how the institution of election commission is being harnessed. Stop. They are exploited by the ruling party in Bengal, which is considered an opposition ruled state. Stop. This is another aspect which deserves to be reviewed when the issue of electoral reforms is considered by the government. Stop. And I would like to say, kindly ensure that the election commission is provided with an independent machinery and infrastructure to be able to conduct elections in each and every opposition ruled state without being dependent on the machinery of the concerned state, so that the election is not rigged and manipulated and won even before the battle is really fought. Stop. Then I would like to say that comments have been made about the behavior of a governor in northeastern states in relation to the dissolution of the Nagaland and Mizoram governments. Stop. I would say, if it is belated, the governor in the northeastern states deserves to be complimented for dissolution of two governments. Stop para. Sir, my friend has also sought a clarification. Stop. He wanted to know whether there has been a policy shift. Stop. I want to categorically state that the approval has been granted to an Indian company, Punjab Agro Industries Corporation, which includes joint venture, and the foreign collaboration is just like many other business companies allowed in the country. Stop now, where the government has stated that it has opposed the project. I would like to clarify that no terms or conditions as set by the CCEA have been altered or changed. Stop. The CCEA has approved in principle that 50% of the turnover per annum would be exported. Stop. Honorable members have asked clarification about the scope of Agro Research Center. Stop. I would like to clarify that Agro Research Centers, which is one of the salient feature of this package, will cover development of improved varieties, development of optimum production technology, multiplication of high quality seeds and oil seeds research. Stop. These are also high priority areas of research. Stop. It will improve overall sellability of hybrid seeds, which will help the farmers in improving their productivity. Stop. Para. It is not correct to say that Pepsi Cola has no experience in food processing. Stop.